Hey all, Chris Bassett here, and I'm going to go over a couple of ways that I boost my gaming PC's performance. Let's get into it.
So the first and most obvious thing, make sure you close any apps or programs that are running in the background before you launch the game. In most cases, apps running in the background shouldn't affect the gaming performance much. However, there are some that can significantly impact the gaming experience, so I just make sure I clean all that up. I do play games on Windows 11. Under the settings menu, you can find the dedicated gaming tab, which allows you to turn gaming mode on or off. There have been mixed results, with some people saying that it was working well and others that there's actually a reduction in frames per second. So I have it on my computer. It makes a couple of claims that it stops Windows updates from performing, it limits background activity, and it helps achieve a more stable frame rate based on the game and system. It doesn't require a computer restart to update, so you can flip this on and off in-game to see what you like best. Underneath the game mode option, you have the option to adjust your graphics settings. You can change the default graphic settings, or you can change individual games' graphics. I'll highlight Call of Duty right here, and under the options menu, you can then choose a graphics performance option. You either have like a power saving or a high performance. So select the high performance if you're wanting to squeeze a little bit more out of your gaming PC. And back under the default graphics settings, you want to choose on for the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. This will just reduce latency and improve performance. I play a lot of my games in windowed mode. This allows you to easily minimize the game window so you can perform another task. For example, I play Final Fantasy. Sometimes I need to shrink the game down to go research like the wiki or even manipulate some of the add-ons like the minimap. I'd also recommend changing your power settings. If you're playing on a laptop, maybe try to focus a little bit more on battery conservation, but I'm on my desktop. So go ahead and go over to settings, and then in the settings menu, search the word power. Scroll down until you find the power plan edit. Go ahead and edit your power plan, and then choose the change advanced power settings option. From this pop-up option, go ahead and select the processor power management. There is a little plus or minus button to the left of this option, and it will show you the minimum processor state and the maximum processor state. You want to make sure that your maximum processor state is set to 100 because obviously that's optimal. So anything under 100, you'd be suboptimal processing power. And then for this last suggestion, I'd recommend you come over to your NVIDIA control panel and manage your 3D settings. In the upper right hand corner, just go ahead and click Manage 3D Settings. And then while you're on this menu, scroll wheel down towards the bottom. You're looking for the Texture Filtering Quality option. You want to switch that from quality to high performance. And then once that's done, go ahead and locate the triple buffering option and make sure that is turned off.
Hey, check out another video over here. I've got Amazon links down in the description for discount electronics. Check out those links. No extra cost. You can help support the channel. I really appreciate it. Any other questions or comments, put below. Thanks.